Good afternoon. This is Master B from McTrading Lounge. Welcome, lounge members and traders throughout the world, doing a market recap of the ES morning trade. Beautiful setup. Once again, the quarter points in the midway prove their worthiness. Going into the 9:30 hour, the market ran up. And guys, I think that the best indicator so far is creating structure with the quarter points and finding the halfway between them. As you can see, price action went right up into the midway between 0.50 and 0.75 and could not stay above it. Okay. The next bar came in at 9:45, was an engulfing bar, and it engulfed, this red bar totally engulfed the previous bar. That is a signature of a possible market reversing. Okay, this bar came down so strong and took out these lows. Okay, that was the indicator telling you that just with price alone, that price is reversing. Okay, if you guys are not familiar with the wicks represent to me pullbacks. So when I saw that this candle pulled back, I immediately went and got my Fibonacci, went from the high of the previous bar, and I took it to where that bar began pulling back. I wanted to measure how far did that bar pull back according to the golden ratio zone, right? At that point, because it was failed, this wick failed to take out the golden ratio zone. My code 618 came into play, meaning that if it's below the 618 or the code area, I'm taking it down to my TP1, which is negative 27.2. Okay. First stop on the bus that I have to be conscious of is that 0.50 quarter point area, but she blew right through it. So it hit my TP1 with two soldiers on, and that was the end of my morning. Beautiful trade right after the morning opening. Had an engulfing bar come in at 9:45. Code 9:45 was in play. She broke the golden ratio zone. The pullback failed to take out the zone. I'm looking for TP1, which is negative 27.2 on the fib. And proper contract size on, that ends my day, and tomorrow's another trading day. Just a quick market recap on how price action respected the midway, quarter points, midway, and then at the end of the day, just a side note, she closed at 0.75, another quarter point. All right. Peace and blessings, family. Wash, rinse, and repeat. This is Master B. I'm out.